Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michaela of The Common Mama Co., blog content writer and SEO strategist, and today we're going to be talking about how to add custom code to the header of your Hostinger website. So this is your Hostinger website on a Hostinger website builder, not a Hostinger hosted website. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and copy that code you want to add. This could be Hotjar, this could be your code from your MailerLite, like whatever the custom code that you're trying to add, go ahead and copy it just to make it easy. Then you're going to want to make sure that you are logged into your website builder. It should look like this, but with your website. So what you're going to need to do is go to this left side panel, go down to the three dots, more settings, integrations, and you'll see that the same place that you'll add Google Analytics, which is awesome. I do have a video on that if you want to learn how to set up your Google Analytics for hosting your website. It'll be one of those little tabs above and in the description of this video. But go to custom code, and all you're going to do is literally paste the code. Or if you're like me and you decide to copy the instructions of the code, that's cool too. But save it, update website, and you're done. All right, and if you need any more tutorials on setting up your hosting your website or optimizing it for SEO, I do have tutorials down below and a free guide offering 6 ways to optimize your website for SEO in 15 minutes or less. But don't forget to hit like and subscribe and come back for more. Bye.